Hello friends, welcome to gblogy. I hope that all of you are doing well. So I am making a lot of money from an app, so I will just tell you about that app. So before starting our video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the app is basically just like Instagram. Okay, and you just have to post your photos or your videos. Okay, and it will gain you more profit in terms of dollars. Okay, so let's start our video. For doing so, just go to Play Store, and here you just have to install an app. Okay, lit lit app. Okay, so just install this app. Okay, here you can see that install this app, as I have already installed this app, so I will just open it. Okay, here you can see that this is the app, and here these are different pupils. It basically works on stories. Okay, and the picture you upload on this app will remain for 24 hours. Okay, and it will make you some money. Okay, and this is my account, and here you can see that these all are my notifications. Okay, and if I talk about my wallet, then here you can see that I have 0.5896 mithril. Okay, mithril is basically a type of coin. Okay, as you are familiar with Bitcoin. Okay, and nowadays the one Bitcoin price is almost $7,000. Okay, so if we search for mithril on coin market cap, then you can see that what's its price. Okay, I will just search for mithril, and here you can see that I think its rate is, yep, here you can see that its rate is $0.29. Okay, and yesterday it was $0.3, but it has just fallen a little bit. Okay, and here you can see that it is its rank is 54 on the coin market cap list. Okay, so you just have to make a lot of these mithril coins, and later you can just sell it on different trading sites. Okay, and here you can see that I have posted 4 photos. Okay, and this photo just earned me 0.1347 mithril. Okay, so and here you can see that I have 132 followers. Okay, and when my followers see my post and they just like and comment on my post, then I will gain mithril vaults. Okay, so this was the trick. And if I tell about the working of this app, then if I just click on this above button, then it's all are my notifications. Okay, and it will just tell about your likes and your followers. Okay, and here you can see that this person has followed me. So if you want to follow any person, then just click on this plus option. Okay, and I will just click on this plus option, and I will just start following all these persons. Okay, so this is the app, and you can earn lot of money from it. All you have to do is just post a photo or video, as we use Facebook and Instagram on daily basis, so why not this app? Okay, so you just have to post a photo or video. Okay, and within 24 hours it will give you a lot of money. Okay, and if I just click on this button, and here you can see that I have 0.589 mithril. Okay, and I will just make another video for withdrawal of these mithril tokens. Okay, so keep watching our video, and if I click on this go to mithril vault, then I will be just redirected to mithril vault, and from there I can withdraw all my these tokens in terms of US dollars or the currency. So keep watching our video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will just make another video about this app. So I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So goodbye.